Hey guys, today let's learn how to overlay on CapCut. So in the case that you want to go ahead and basically overlay a specific subject on a video and remove its background, or whatever the cause may be, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to overlay something on a video on CapCut. So let's dive right in. Okay, so here we have our CapCut applications, and I'm going to go ahead and maybe import a video on here so that we may have something to work on. And I'm going to choose just a random video that I have on here, and that could be any video, of course. I'm going to go ahead and choose this video right here, and I'm going to tap on the plus icon to add that video onto our timeline. Okay, so what we need to do on here is to, well, overlay something on that video. Of course, there are going to be a lot of different options, but I'm going to teach you guys one method for this video, and that is going to be just by downloading a specific clear background image, which is going to be a PNG in this case. So I have downloaded a PNG image of an eagle from Google, and as you see, I could just change the length so that it could actually reach the whole video. And now we have successfully overlaid this image onto the video. Now you could also change the scale and position of this just by dragging and editing its scale. I'm going to put it on the top left corner of this video. As you see, once we scroll through the whole video, it is going to be right there. We could also just change the length to make it fit the whole video. That's going to be pretty easy just by dragging and dropping the ins and outs of the video itself, or rather the image itself. And that's how you guys could overlay something on a video on the CapCut application. Now this goes the same with any other PNG image or even a video with a clear background. Now it's going to be different, of course, with videos that has green screens. In the case that you have a video with a green screen, of course, let's actually go ahead and show you guys what you should do if you have a video with a green screen. How do you remove the background and overlay it onto a video? So let's assume that this is our video with our green screen. Let's actually go ahead and enter a new file so that we could actually use that file to use it as an example on here. I'm going to go ahead and delete our eagle PNG, drag this new file over right here, and we are going to go ahead and use this example file or sample file as our green screen, supposedly green screen video. Okay, so how do you basically add this and remove its green screen? So let's assume that we have a subject over here, and then we also have the green screen, of course, in the background. How do you basically remove it? All we need to do is to basically go ahead and tap over here on chroma key. As you see here on our video, I'm going to tap on our overlay and green screen video, and we're going to tap on video right here on the top right corner. Right next on basic settings, we have this option called cutout settings. All I need you guys to do is to tap on chroma key and tap on the color picker. Now you have this new icon or new cursor on the video itself. Now all I need you guys to do is to tap on the green screen or whatever color that your video is the background of, and then that's going to basically be removed once you head on over and increase the strengths. As you see, it actually applies on here as well, just by removing the gray parts of our video. It's actually now gone. And when we scroll through the video, we could actually see those parts actually just floating on there, since of course that specific color is removed by the color picker. And assuming that that is green, of course, obviously your green screen video will also be removed its background, giving you a smooth overlay. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.